How to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch your Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on the DM section at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, select on the chat that you'd want to hide but you do not want to delete them. As you select on that, tap on the profile again. Here, as you tap on options, there you can see there's no other options directly to hide the Instagram chats. So what we are going to do is simply tap on privacy and safety. As you do that, scroll down and here you can see the option of restrict. So as you tap on restrict, here you'll be able to restrict this person and you'll not be able to see the chats, but you can just simply hide the chats without deleting them. So you can just tap on restrict. So as you tap on restrict, you'll be able to hide Instagram chats and you can see the messages, however, by going to the message request and you can view the messages. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.